Today, I will introduce our demo factory, and also my colleague Clover will introduce our production workshop to you. Okay, please follow me and go to our demo factory firstly. Okay, let's go. Today the wind is a little big. Okay. Yeah, we built our demo factory because since 1993 we already started this business. So there are many new technology needed to test and updating always, right? So we built the demo factory to test new technology. And when our clients visit us, yes, before 2020, yeah, before the COVID-19, more than 100 clients will come to our factory and visit us. Yeah, when they visit us, they really want to see the running machine. So we built the demo factory to test the new technology and show to our clients all over the world. Okay. Today, I will pay more time to introduce the pyrolysis machine to you. The pyrolysis machine is mainly used for waste tire and waste plastic, but also oil sludge to fuel oil. Okay, please follow me. When you want to build a pyrolysis plant, at present, the 10-ton model is our most hot selling model. So when you want to install one set 10-ton model, you need about 10 meters wide and 40 meters long. And about the height of the factory, we usually suggest 8 to 10 meters at least. So one 10-ton pyrolysis machine will need about 400 square meters. But for the whole plant, we will suggest 1,000 square meters to you, because you need to stock the raw material like the tires, the plastic, and stock the oil, and also other end products like the carbon black and also the steel wires from the waste tires, right? Okay, it's about the factory size you need for one set 10-ton pyrolysis machine. Also, many clients will install the 2 sets or 4 sets or 6 sets. We will give you special and professional suggestion if you contact with us. So if you are watching our live show, please don't forget click the catalog or chat to get more information about our pyrolysis machine. Okay, today I will introduce the 10-ton capacity pyrolysis machine. There are 6 main parts of the pyrolysis machine. The first one is about the outfeeder. Yeah, the outfeeder is our patent product. We already got 12 technology patents about the pyrolysis machine. The outfeeder is one of the patent products. Okay, the function about the outfeeder is to feed the raw material to the reactor. Yes. The advantage about the outfeeder, first, it can help you save a lot of time. If you feed the raw material like 10-ton waste tires, you will need about 5 to 7 hours. But with our outfeeder, it's only 2 to 3 hours can finish 10-ton waste tire feeding. And second, it can help you compress the raw material and save a lot of space in the reactor, so it can help you feed more material per batch. And the third is more safe. Yeah, we know the reactor needs to heat to very high temperature after the whole pyrolysis process finished. If the reactor not cooling down totally and the worker walk into the reactor, it's very dangerous because the high temperature and there is no oxygen, so it's not safe. But with outfeeder, there is no this problem, so it's very safe. And another advantage is we design a hook, or there is not a hook. We can show you the video if you want, okay? There is a hook after the with the tire pyrolysis process finished. You need to pull out the steel wires from the reactor, right? Then the hook in the outfeeder can help you. Yeah, it's the for advantage about our outfeeder. It's very useful. So most of our clients, about 99% clients will choose the outfeeder to help them feed the raw material. Okay, it's the first part about the pyrolysis plant. And the second part is about the reactor. Yeah, the reactor is the most important part in the whole pyrolysis plant, because inside the reactor, the waste tires plastic will become oil gas from the solid. And of course, the reactor design and the quality also very important. The reactor is also one of the patent products about our pyrolysis machine. Yeah. First, about the outfeeder feeding door. Yeah, we can take a picture and let our clients see the reactor feeding door. Yeah, the feeding door size is 1.4 meters. Of course, we can design different sized feeding door according to your requirements, but the 1.4 is our standard size. Yeah, so it means if your waste tire diameter below 1.4 meters, the outfeeder can feed the waste tire to the reactor directly. No need the cutter. Yeah, no need to cut the tires to pieces. Of course, if you already cut the waste tire or have the piece tires, you can feed it to reactor automatically also. Yeah, but if you don't want to cut the tire, you can use the with the higher diameter below 1.4. Yeah, it can push to the reactor directly. And the second, about the feeding door. Okay, there is no feeding door. We can see this one. Yeah, we design a electric hose. Yeah, to lift the feeding door. Yeah, maybe this method is a little waste of time, but after testing many times and get feedback from our end user, it's most how to say convenient way and not easy to out of ship. Yeah, because the outfeeder need to heat to very high temperature. After many times testing the raw material or the used a long time. Of course, we also have the hydraulic door or the side open door. Yeah, but because the heavy reason or the high temperature reason, they are easy to out of ship. But use this way, it's not the problem out of ship. So we use this type. We design an electric hose for the feeding door. The workers just need to install the screw. Yeah, each batch. It's okay. It's about the outfeeder feeding door. And about the reactor, there are two layers of the reactor. The outside layer is the insulation layer, and the inside is the boiler. Okay. Of course, we can stop a little. Let me introduce my live show sales promotions. Okay, yeah, we are introduced the waste tire and with the plastic to oil pyrolysis machine. If you are not very familiar with this project or are new about this business, you can pay more attention about our live show. Each week, we will have a live show to show you technology about our pyrolysis plant. It's our third time of January. Yeah, it's third time live show in January. If you already watched 3 times in January about our live show, just give me take a screenshot about our live show, you will get $8,000 coupon. Yeah, you will get $8,000 coupon. Of course, this coupon only can use within 2 months if you purchase our machine within 2 months. Of course, some clients already sent us their screenshots. We will calculate, okay? So take a screenshot about our live show to your sales manager or to our customer service person. Click the catalog or click the chat. They will record your information and give you the $8,000 coupon. Okay, it's about our sales promotion. Okay. Now let's continue introduction about our reactor. Yeah, there are 2 layers about our reactor. The outside layer is the insulation cover, and the inside is the boiler. Yeah, the boiler we use 2,800 mm plus 6,600 mm the size. Yeah, it means it can put 10-ton waste tires to this size boiler. So we call it 10-ton model. But this 10-ton model we usually mean for the waste tire or waste plastic. If you don't sure how many tons this size boiler can take per batch, you can contact with us. We will calculate for you because it also depends on different material and different density. Yeah, in general, there is 40 cube meters about this boiler, but different material we will give you different solution. So finally, how many tons raw material you can process per batch? Please don't forget to contact with us. Okay. And the boiler material we use is Q245R, yeah, and 16 mm. This material is very good and from our Angang group, which is top 500 manufacturer in China. So the quality is very good. Of course, after in our workshop, Miss Clover will also show you the boiler plate material. And about the outside is the insulation cover. Yeah, from its name you can know its function is to keep the temperature. Yeah, because the reactor will be heated to very high temperature, like 400 or 500 degree, right? So it needs keeps the reactor warm. Then you can save a lot of fuel material and get more good function. Yeah, it's about our reactor. For more details, Miss Clover will give you more details about our reactor, how to control the welding quality, and how to control the reactor quality is good, like the head cover quality and the different design. Yeah, please follow our live show. You will get more information in our production workshop. Okay, it's our second part about the reactor. And then about the blue one, it's the third part, the foundation. We also call it furnace. The function about the furnace is heating the reactor. You know, it's the height. There are different heights of the foundations for different fuel material. Yeah, first, let me introduce you what kind of fuel material you can use. You can use wood, coal, pyrolysis oil, like the fuel oil or the natural gas. For different fuel material, the height is different. Like the wood or coal, the height needs 1.53 meters about the furnace. But because there are some dust need to fall down after the wood or coal burned. But for pyrolysis oil, fuel oil or natural gas, the height is only about 1.26 meters. Yeah, there are different heights. Of course, you can also build the foundation under the ground. Yeah, if your local government allow you build the foundation under the ground and the height can meet their requirements, you also can build yourself. It also can save a lot cost for you. Yeah, because buy the foundation from us also okay, but it needs ship by one piece 40 high Q container. So the shipping cost is not so cheap. Especially in this year, it's crazy about the vessel shipping cost. Yeah, and if you, of course, 90% of our clients will choose the pyrolysis oil from this plant itself as the fuel material, because the fitting function, the heating effect is very good, and also you needn't buy the fuel material from the local market from other place. It's very convenient and save cost. Or like this model, it's 10 ton capacity. It only needs about 300 to 400 kg per batch. Yeah, we will supply the oil burners to you according to your requirements. Okay. Just like this one, just like this red one, it's a X3 control oil burners. Yeah, it can control the temperature automatically. When it's reach a certain degree, it can cut off, turn on or turn off automatically. We also have a cost-effective one, a simple one. It's also very useful. So if you want to get the oil burner information, please don't forget click the catalog or click the chat. Contact with our salesperson, okay? Contact with our customer service person. If you find you can't click the catalog, it means you not log in Alibaba. So please register with your account, with your email, with your mobile number. Then you can contact with us. And I just introduced the third part of the pyrolysis plant. And the first part of the pyrolysis plant is the carbon black discharge system. Yeah, after the pyrolysis process finished, there are a certain percent of the carbon black. Yeah, so we need discharge it from the reactor. Okay, here I want to introduce another function about our reactor. There is spiral plant inside the reactor boilers. Yeah, so when the reactor work, it's rotate very slow. It's about 3 minutes per round. Yeah, when it's rotates clockwise, it can help to feed the material. But when it's rotated anti-clockwise, like this, it can help the discharge, the carbon black discharge. Yeah, we have two types of carbon black discharge system. This one is the back one. The back type, we also call it tube type. It discharges the carbon black from the back. We also have another hot cell one. I will introduce you later in another position. It's our side carbon black discharge. So when you use the side type carbon black discharge system, the discharge door is in the front of the reactor. So when our reactor rotates anti-clockwise, it can help to help the safe working time for the carbon black discharge system. Yeah, it's about another function about our reactor and the carbon black discharge system. The tube carbon black discharge system can also use the pneumatic system. It's very fast and clean. We know the carbon black is very light, so it's easy to breathe by the worker. So the sealing quality about the carbon black discharge system is very important. It must be very clean in your workshop, in your factory. We can't let the carbon black fly out and breathed by your workers, right? It's very harmful to the health. So the sealing quality is also very important. And the first part is our cooling system. Yeah. Before I introduce the cooling system, let me introduce other details about our machine. Okay, please follow me. As I just mentioned, after feeding the raw material by our outfeeder, it needs about 2 to 3 hours. Then we need 2 hours to preheating the reactor. Then it needs about 8 to 10 hours to finish the pyrolysis process. Yeah, 8 to 10 hours. Then after the oil gas come from the reactor, the first stage they come will be the purification room. The function about the purification room is clean the oil gas. Yeah, there are 2 layers of the purification room. The outside layer we filled with perlite as the insulation layer to keep the temperature not cooling down. Yeah, we can't let the oil gas cooling down from here, because after they get out from the reactor, the oil is very dirty and sticky. So we need let the oil gas go to next stage. It's our cooling stage. Yeah. So from in this purification room, this design is very important. The outside layer is the perlite as the insulation layer. Inside there perlite, ceramic ring. Yeah, inside there are ceramic ring to clean the oil gas layer by layer. So it can let the clean oil gas go to our cooling system smoothly. There are 3 stages about our cooling system. The first one is about this one, this pipe. We call it first cooling stage. There are 2 layers about this first cooling stage. The outside is water jacket. Yeah, to make there are water jackets. There are recycling waters to recycle outside, and inside is the oil gas. Then the oil gas will go to our second stage cooling system. Yeah, then I will introduce the second stage cooling system to you. We can say this is a tap about our cooling system. We also call it 54 meters long container frame design. Yeah, because there are 9 piece 6 meters length cooling pipe inside. Of course, our old type is 36 meters, but now we already updated to 45 meters. We get this condenser design from our Europe clients. We know the Europe worker salary is very high. So after our boss visit our Europe clients and get feedback from them, we start to design this cooling system. This design, we can see all the parts already welded and installed in our factory. So it can save a lot install time in your factory. And also it can ensure the welding quality, because our weld worker already work in our factory 8 or 10 years. So they have rich experience on how to ensure the welding quality. So the weld quality is good and all the parts are already weld well in our factory. You only need contact the simple part in your factory. It can save a lot of time and save a lot of worker salary for you. And also, it can each use the Germany clean automatic technology. Yeah, maybe you can't see very clear in the video, but we design a slope about the cooling pipe, so it can clean the oil sludge automatically. It's about our this cooling system. And in my right hand, there are another cooling system. We call it square box cooling system. The one advantage about this cooling system is no need dig water pool. Yeah, it's a container like a water tank, but inside there are 116 cooling lanes. Yeah, about there are 20 piece 6 meters. So the total cooling length is about 120. The function is also very good. Yeah, it's our another one. Of course, we also have a simple one. We call it horizontal cooling system. It's more cost effectively. It can save some cost for you. So different clients we will recommend and give you professional suggestion how to choose the cooling system. Of course, it depends on your budget. Okay, and in the upside, it's our water cooling tower. Yeah, water cooling tower. Use it to cool the recycling water, to cool down the water temperature. Yeah, like this 10-ton capacity model, we usually suggest 50 tons water cooling tower. Yeah, water cooling tower. But like a 1-ton model, we will suggest 25 tons water cooling tower. It's about our 5 parts about our pyrolysis plants, the cooling system, and the last part about the pyrolysis plant is our dedusting system. Yeah, this one we can say is very beautiful. It's desulfurization and denaturification type. It's the function about the dedusting system is to clean the flue gas from the furnace. Yeah, as I just mentioned, we use the pyrolysis oil or wood coal or natural gas as the fuel material. So we must clean the flue gas before it's flied outside, flied to the air. Each country, yeah, all over the world, all the countries put more attention on the environment, especially the Europe countries. Of course, in China, it have very strict requirements for the environment. So we design different type dedusting system to clean the flue gas from the furnace. Also, we sold many pyrolysis machine in China market. They also use this one. Yeah, it's desulfurization and the denaturification dedusting system. Yeah, about the dedusting system, if you want to get more information, please don't forget click the catalog or the chat to get more information, okay? Or you can leave your contact information, like your email or your WhatsApp number or your mobile number. We will contact with you. Yeah. Now let me show you another type about the foundation, about the furnace. We can see this one. This one is under the ground. Yeah, just the blue one is above, over the ground. This one is under the ground. It's also very popular and convenient to operate. So if your local place and government allow you build underground, you can build like this. Yeah, this machine capacity is about 7 tons, so it only use two furnace door. But for the 10-ton capacity, it will use 3 furnace door. Yeah, it's another foundation under the ground. Yeah. Now I will want to show you some waste plastic. Yeah, many clients ask what kind of waste plastic we can recycling for the oil. We will tell you it's about PP, PE, PS, ABS are available for our machine, but the PET, like the water bottle, and the PVC, like some building material, is not available because there is no oil. But like some daily waste plastic or the landfill plastic, like the shopping bags or our daily use, the plastic, like the packing plastic, yeah, just like this, we can see the plastic is very dirty, right? But no problem, it can recycle by our machine to fill oil. And we have the clean system, like the purification room and the cooling system to clean the oil gas, yeah, to clean the impurity about the oil gas. And it's about the raw material. Of course, we can also recycling the rubber, yeah, like our shoes and our clothes. Yeah, if you are not sure what kind of raw material you can, what kind of raw material can use our machine, then you can contact with us.